friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Kicksnation unboxing today. If you haven't watched my first one, I'll leave a link up there. I think it's over there. You can watch and kind of learn about. They had gifted me my first box with credit to, you know, share their box with you guys. So I decided to do another one because I like the first one so much. So Kicksnation, it's a subscription sneaker box, and they send you 3 pairs of shoes and you decide if you want to keep any of them. There is a styling fee that doesn't go towards the what you keep, but it kind of covers like shipping both ways because it is a heavy box because there's 3 pairs of shoes in there. So there's more in the description below about Kicksnation if you want to try it for yourself. They're kind of like, you know, the really good name brand sneakers and whatnot. So this time I did ask for a couple more like lifestyle ones, like slip-on, like Vans and things like that. And then I did ask for a pair of tennis shoes for walking my dog. So let's get right into it. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're just gonna open up the box. Here we go. Oh yeah, and also you send the shoes back in the box that it came in, so try not to ruin it like I might have just done. Okay, I didn't ruin it, all is fine. We'll see when I tape it back up. They should give you some tape to tape it back up with too. Anyway, here's their note. They send you the return label to return the shoes. It's a FedEx, so I gotta find a FedEx somewhere to return these, I guess. Anyway, their notes are always really long. By always, I mean, you know, the other one time I got them. We are so excited for you to see what we put together in your box. Based on your quiz preferences, we picked 3 pairs that we hope you'll love. For your first sneaker, you mentioned that you wanted a dark color slip-on. For this pick, we decided on the CVs, Hawthorne, and True Navy. If you know, you know. These easy-to-wear kicks go with just about everything and use an exclusive cooling system and keep the air flowing all day. Blah, blah, blah. For your second pick, you asked for a bold color lifestyle shoe and a slip-on silhouette. For this pick, we went with the Cariuma IBI in raw red knit. This lightweight shoe is ultra comfy and made with vegan knit using sustainably harvested bamboo and recycled plastic, so that's nice. We had so much fun picking the On Cloud Flyer in white/coral, this new lightweight for walking my dog. It's lightweight, blah, 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 all that jazz. And it gives me a referral link down below so you guys can get something off your first box, or maybe it waives your shipping, or maybe it waives your first styling fee. I don't remember. It's in the description below. The referral as well. And yeah, all right, so let's just get into it. I'm not going to try the shoes on today because you guys know what shoes look like on feet, I decided. So we're just going to open them up and have some fun and see what we got. Where's my invoice? Oh, it's on the second page. So I don't want to look at the prices yet. I want to be surprised, but there is an invoice as well with the prices. So first one, let's see. Oh, look at that. It's just a nice little navy. Would you look at that? It's just a nice little navy slip-on by CVs. So that's kind of nice. I don't know if I'll keep them because you guys know my thing with navy. But they look nice. I like slip-ons. They feel like really heavy duty, like solid. They have like a nice little liner in there, it looks like. So there's the first pair. Oh, I wonder how much those are. When, you know, you could probably get them at Target, but they wouldn't be as good quality. I know I've gotten slip-ons, you know, at Target and things before, and they just wear out really quickly because they're like 20 bucks, you know. Oh, those are cute. Look, there. So that's that knit they were talking about. If you can see that texture. Nice red. I do like red. So these ones I might be more inclined to keep than the navy ones, but they have that like bamboo, cork bamboo they were talking about in there too for comfort. So that's nice. Anyway, if my voice is weird, I don't know if I'll show. My camera just fell because of my tripod. I really need to get on and order one. If my voice is weird, I went to a Luke Bryan concert last night and I have 3 videos to film today. Oh my god, look at these tennis shoes. And I wasn't thinking, but that's fine. Here's the tennis shoe! And I really, really like it. Look at it, it's got like cool little see-through parts. Look at that. Oh, these are, I like these the best. Look at those, they're so cute. And I don't have like any tennis shoes. Those look really cushy. I'm excited. This is by Cloud Flyer. Those are adorable. I like those the best. I might keep those ones. Okay, those are the shoes. I'm not gonna try them on this time. It's gonna be a short video. It is what it is. As I said, concert last night. My voice is going not great. Of course, those are the expensive ones. I do still have some credit though. Well, all of them are expensive, but like I said, they're like name brand, you know, sneakers and things. Okay, so these, the OnCloud Flyer 3 women's white coral size 7, $159.99. Those must be a great tennis shoe. But I really like them, and I do still have some credit from them with my first box that they gifted me, so thanks Kicksnation. So I might keep those. And then the Cariuma, and they'll probably last me a really long time as I, you know, justify it to myself. Cariuma IBI slip-on unisex raw red knit, $98. So not gonna keep those. And then the CV's Hawthorne women's in true navy, $78.84. So the box total is $336.83. And you don't get like discounts or anything for keeping all of them. So it's just kind of, you know, they just send you some shoes that they think might work for you. You fill out a big quiz and tell them like your shoe habits, your running habits, your gym habits, if you do those things, which, you know, we know I don't. So yeah, that is the Kicksnation box. My box number 2. I do like them. I did like everything in my first box. I kept everything in my first box they sent me. But I think I'm gonna keep these. I really like those. I do feel like the other slip-on ones, I could just get some slip-on ones elsewhere, obviously for a lot less. So yeah, there it is. There's my Kicksnation box, you guys. If you wanna try it, there's a referral link down below. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna rest my voice, hopefully. And I will see you next time.